Basically all anti-roll bars are mounted to the center of the car like so. Unboxing of an anti-roll bar bush kit from Powerflex. Not really important what car it is because the profile basically the same. They're all clamped onto the car in the same way, so the flat area, this piece here will go against the body, and then you've got the bracket which will go around here, which is mounted to the car with 2 screws. They're split on the one side, so you can insert them around the bar, and it also comes with a lubricant as well, which you just put on the bar around the bush just to make sure everything is nicely lubricated. Guys, that's what you get. Like I said, not important what car it is, but basically all the anti-roll bar bushes are basically kind of the same. They all look the same more or less. When you order, you just need to tell the shop that where you're ordering the diameter of the bar that you have. So usually you're going to need to measure that. Not possible to know from chassis codes or anything like that. Like I said, you do need to measure, or get the garage is going to be fitting them to measure. Not a difficult job usually. So guys, that's the video. Powerflex polyurethane anti-roll bar bushes. As always, please vote in the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time.